Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we solve Wi-Fi problem in our Realme phone. Guys, we have guys with Wi-Fi problem settings. Friends, how can you solve in your Realme phone? In this video friends I am going to show you. So friends, now let's see guys how to solve Wi-Fi network problem in our Realme phone device. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when first of all guys we will on our phone setting to solve guys our Wi-Fi network problem guys. After phone setting guys, we will scroll it to solve our Wi-Fi problem. Hence you can see phone system setting friends, tap here, guys scroll it. Hence you can see backup and reset guys, tap here. Hence you can see reset option guys, tap here. Since you can see guys your network settings, friends tap here to solve your Wi-Fi problem. So your Wi-Fi network problem will solve in your Realme phone. So after guys solve this problem Wi-Fi problem guys, we have any another problem guys and different problem in your Wi-Fi setting. So don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send me on comment section. I will check. I will help you. Bye friends.